Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about the Galaxy Watch and using a glass screen protector in it. You think it's necessary? You'll be worrying about protecting the screen? And I guess that's going to depend on every user. So today we're going to go check out the installation from a screen protector that Ringke sent us out for review. Alright, so this is the Invisible Defender ID glass. This is a 9H hardness protection. It is not plastic, it's tempered glass, so it's going to give you a better quality when it comes to the viewing experience. It's going to have some shock absorbing protection, and it's going to have some screen scratch resistant. It shouldn't interfere with the touches, that's something we're going to check out today. Alright. So in the box we got just the instructions. We have the wipes to clean it, moisture wipes and dry wipes. Seems like we got the dust removers. So it is a 4-pack screen protector. So you get 4 different ones. I guess if you mess up one, you got 3 more. Or you can just, as time goes by, if you scratch them or you break them by accident, you can just replace it with a new one. I don't remember the price. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below. I couldn't find them on Amazon at this time, so I don't know if they're sold out or they're currently out of stock, which is the same. But I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below to let you know the prices. So let's go with the installation. Basically telling us to first clean the screen with the provided wet wipes and the microfiber. So let's do the wet wipes. Then it's telling us to use the microfiber towel that came with it. You can also use the dry wipes, but I mean at this point I don't see any dust particles in there. So next we're gonna get the screen protector itself, the glass screen protector. After we clean it and we got all the dust out, now it's telling us to remove it and just place it right on top of it. All right, it went right in there with no issues. Okay. One thing that I noticed is that as soon as I drop it on top, I could see there was some liquid, I guess like liquid glue, that automatically spread out across and all the bubbles went away. Like I don't see any bubbles in there. Now my first impressions, it looks like I just put a magnifier glass on it. That's the first impression that I got of it. I don't see the quality of the display being affected. The only thing that I noticed is that maybe it magnifies it just a little bit. Maybe it's just me, but that's the first impressions that I noticed. It is very responsive. I don't see issues with the touches. It looks clear, doesn't look yellow. Am I a big fan? Probably not. I mean, if I am the type of person that I'm always banging stuff into the wall, damaging stuff, then definitely I'll recommend you get a screen protector, especially a glass screen protector. If you usually wear watches or you had a smart watch before and you haven't had issues where you scratched bad, then you may want to consider it. I don't know if you really want to have it. This watch does have pretty good bezels, so the bezels will give you some amount of protection if you hit it against the wall. Of course, it's not going to be protected 100% if you hit it like in a corner where it will hit the glass, but that's something for you to consider. I usually never wear or never put screen protectors on my watches or in the phones. I usually tend to be more careful, but I know a lot of people just gotta have it. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. I mean, considering the price, I'll drop a comment below letting you know how much it is, but that's something for you to consider. I did like the fact that this particular set came with 4 different ones, so if you happen to mess up the first one, then you have additional 3 that you can play with. Or if you maybe go through one every couple of months, you can just replace it easily. I did like the fact that it was a very easy installation. As you notice, I didn't prepare for it. This is the first time that I install a glass screen protector on a watch. And overall, I think I did pretty good. I could have done probably better if I didn't have all the camera gears around me, but I think I centered it in there pretty good. I don't feel like it's gonna come off easily. And those are just my thoughts. But let me just show you some of the viewing, how it's gonna look with the glass, and you can make your own judgment on how it looks. Now, as you can see like a little bezel or around the glass. You can see where you can barely tell where it didn't go flush all the way end to end. And I think it's because it will be impossible to get one to line up 100% that it will be flush, where the glass will be flush with the bezels around it. But overall, looks good. As you can see, there's no bubbles. It went in there pretty good. I had no issues installing it, but I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. What do you think? Should you get one for your watch? Let everyone else know. Or if there's one that you recommend, a different one that you tried, also make sure you let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. We're always making videos about the Galaxy Watch, Galaxy Note phones, and I'll see you on the next one.